Tired of bitter, bland coffee at home? Struggling with complicated machines and messy grinders? Wish you could make cafe-quality espresso yourself? You're not alone. Most home coffee setups disappoint. Grinding beans is messy and inconsistent. Water temperature never seems quite right. Frothing milk? It's either too bubbly or flat. Espresso shots taste off no matter what you try. Meet the Breville Barista Express BES 872XL. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. This all-in-one machine changes your coffee game. Go from fresh beans to espresso in under a minute. Integrated conical burr grinder delivers precise, fresh grounds. Customize your grind size for any bean or taste. Low-pressure pre-infusion ensures balanced flavor extraction. Digital temperature control delivers perfect water every time. Powerful steam wand creates silky microfoam milk. Now latte art at home is totally possible. No more guessing, just great espresso every cup. Before, weak, uneven, disappointing coffee. After, rich, balanced espresso with creamy microfoam. Before, juggling grinders, tampers, and filters. After, everything you need included in one box. Before, milk froth never quite right. After, barista-level foam for cappuccinos and lattes. Before, waiting forever for your morning cup. After, espresso ready in under a minute. Before, wasting beans on bad shots. After, dose control gives you consistent results. Before, frustrated by confusing settings. After, simple, intuitive controls at your fingertips. Before, buying expensive cafe drinks daily. After, save money with every delicious cup at home. The Breville Barista Express makes it all possible. Enjoy third-wave specialty coffee right in your kitchen. Integrated grinder means less mess, more flavor. Choose single or double shots, adjust grind and dose. Manual override for those who love experimenting. 67 Oz water tank. Fewer refills, more convenience. Comes with everything. Portafilter, filters, jug, cleaning tools. Stainless steel design looks great on any counter. 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Plus, get 2 free bags of specialty coffee when you register. Start your mornings with a fresh, balanced espresso. Impress guests with cafe-quality drinks. Perfect for coffee lovers and kitchen gadget fans. No more compromises, just great coffee every time. Take control of your coffee experience. Upgrade your mornings with Breville Barista Express. Ready to become your own barista? Order now and enjoy free specialty coffee. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Experience the difference in every sip. Breville Barista Express, beans to espresso in under a minute. Make your kitchen the best coffee spot in town. Don't settle for less. Brew better at home. Click to shop now and transform your coffee routine. Your barista journey starts with Breville.